Welcome to week 5 for week 5, video 5 for ITBU. Week 9, we're starting at slide 36. So I'm just going to read from the notes down here. In addition to using the data from customer surveys about services and activities at the library, help desk interactions, and other transactions, so things like the number of items that are borrowed, the types of items, the number of participants in Sheena's Makerspace activities, all those kinds of things. Rebecca currently uses data about the library's website traffic to make strategic marketing and planning decisions for the library. She uses, the product that she's using is Google Analytics, and she uses that to compare Thora Public Library with local competitors. So that's the kind of the competitive intelligence angle of it, and provide statistics about who's visiting the website, what they're doing, and then make recommendations about leveraging the website visits to possibly increase the number of customers making virtual visits to the library. So she's going to ask Sheena to do all of this. Now that Sheena's got an assistant, she's going to be doing even more work, right? So what's Google Analytics? This is something that I strongly encourage you to take a look at. If you have a WordPress website, and there's some other ones too, like that you can use for free, but WordPress, if you have a paid WordPress site, then you can pay the little monthly fee, whatever it is, and you can use Google Analytics and just get familiar with that product and apply it to your website so that you can have that skill if you want to get some experience with business intelligence tools to see how they work. I mean, we've all used YouTube or things like that, and you can go to your YouTube site, your channel, and look at the analytics for how often people are viewing your movies, right, that you post, your videos that you post. So Google Analytics lets you do this for your website, tells you about your traffic. So on these slides right here, you're going to see kind of a project assignment for a real life CPA placement that happened last year, I think, at the Oshawa Public Library. And the reason I'm sharing it is you might see that you could actually use, this is what they did and how they used analytics, okay? What kinds of things they could find out using Google Analytics. And you can actually use some LinkedIn Learning videos. So if you're interested in learning about specifically which ones this student used, then let me know and I'll share that information. Okay, so this is how it works with WordPress. Now, because I don't have a paid WordPress account, I can't necessarily go in and show you everything. But these are some of the videos, right, that I mentioned that the student used. And they go through, so you can just go to LinkedIn Learning and type Google Analytics to get, what do you call them? Not tutorials, whole courses that you can take. They're short, some of them. And learn how to use this tool. And this is what the desktop will look like, the dashboard. Okay, so that's why I've got these screens in here. All right, so I just wanted to show you this so that you're aware that Google Analytics exists, and it's something that you can get some experience on if you're trying to address some gaps in your learning because you want to know more about business intelligence and apply for a job in that field when you graduate. All right, we will reconvene for slide 42.